etching from the metal contest set. I got this from Mel Chemistry. So we already set up some stuff to save time, but you have to follow the instructions in the Mel Chemistry app. So let's get started. First, we are going to add the copper sulfite, which is CuSO4. Next, we are going to add water, which is H2O, as you can well see. Next, we are going to wait and see what reaction will happen. As you can see, nothing happened. Now we are going to add salt or sodium chloride. As you can see now, it has turned green for some apparent reason, because there was nothing yellow in there to turn it green. And it keeps bubbling white. It's the chemical reaction. You see, there's a little bit of black happening. It's going to be a lot of black soon. Well, right now, you see there's something. You see, there's a lot of stuff coming out from the bottom, and you're wondering why. Because it ate a hole through. See? Right there. And all that stuff is copper. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. Whatever your favorite part is, I think it was my favorite part, because my favorite part was all the parts. And I loved how the copper sulfite and the aluminum foil, if the copper fell out of the solution and the aluminum came into the solution, and then the aluminum got liquefied and became black liquid into the beaker. So, subscribe.